brand new earbud with 4 replacements batteries. I know you can't believe it, but check out this.
Introducing Sonicwave, the latest OWS open-ear buds with replaceable batteries. With an impressive 168 hours battery life and 750 mAh capacity, these buds are designed to keep you connected for longer. Featuring 4 magnetic removable batteries, you can easily swap them out for a quick power boost on the go. Experience the convenience of dual-channel connection, allowing you to seamlessly switch between devices without any hassle. With a transparent casing and hangable storage, Sonicwave offers both style and practicality. Back this project on Kickstarter today.
I am aware that modern earbuds may have similar features, style, and design, but how about to check this one and find your earbud problem solution with? It has more features than you watch in video. Peace.